So if the two mirrors are inclined to each other, this is mirror 1, this is mirror 2. If this is inclined to each other at some angle theta, do you remember its result? If they are inclined at some angle theta, an object is placed somewhere here. Then how many images it will form? So first you have to find out n, which is 360 by theta. If this value of n is even, then the number of images are n minus 1. And if this n is odd, then they are n minus 1 if it is placed symmetrical, or n if it is placed asymmetrical. But how do you decide what is symmetrical and what is asymmetrical? Symmetrical, asymmetrical, how do you decide? Symmetrical means it will be having same position or identical position from both the mirrors. So I will tell you the better way how to do that symmetrical and asymmetrical thing. If I draw any angle bisector, of this line, of this angle, if the object lies anywhere on this line, it will be symmetrical. You understand? If the object is here or here or here or here, for both the mirrors it will be identical. Or it will not lie on this line, then it will be asymmetrical. If it is placed, suppose here, then this is the position which is symmetrical position of the object. And anywhere else, this is asymmetrical position. Asymmetrical position. Some points are there about these images, which is very important. Point number one, these images lies in a circle of radius equal to the distance of object from point of intersection. This point is the most important point, and it will give you very easy way to draw the position of the images. Just for example, let's try to understand this by one example. So suppose if I say two mirrors are there which is inclined at 90 degree and the object is placed asymmetrical. Object is making at an angle 30 degree from one of the mirror. So can you tell me how many number of images will form? 3. How many number of images are formed here, bachcho? You will say, sir, number of n value is 360 by 90, which is 4. 4 is an even number. That's why the number of images which will be formed here is 3. Number of images are 3. Suppose in the second part, if I say, can you locate all the 3 images? Dekho, what is the best way out to locate these images? 30 degree, huh? So it is, this is only for odd. Even it is always n minus 1. Even ke liye, whether it is symmetrical or asymmetrical doesn't matter. All right. How to draw the position of the image? For that, you see, first I draw two mirrors which is at 90 degree. Then I draw the position of the image somewhere here. Why? Because it is making 30 degree angle with one of them. So let us say object is here. All right. It is making 30 degree angle with one. Obviously 60 degree with the other. Is it okay to everybody? This is M1, this is M2. What is the next step? To identify where is the other images. Where are the three images? So what you have to do, let's see. You draw a circle. You draw a circle. You draw a circle such that its center will be intersection. Circle of radius equals to the distance of the object with the point of intersection. So what is the radius of this circle? This distance. Understood? After that you have to draw the images. So देखो how to draw images. Draw one line. It will be equidistance. So the image which is formed by O by M1 is, this is I1. Understand? Then draw one straight line again. The image which is formed on this circle will be, this is the image of I2. Do you understand that? What is this I1? Image of the object formed by M1. What is this I2? Image formed by M2. Correct? And now, by default, if the mirror is there or not, you can extend that reason. Any portion of the mirror can make the image. So now this I2 is behaving as an object for M1. So that's why this is the image. This I1 is behaving as an object. That's why this is the image. So both these images are coinciding. This is the image which is formed by 1 due to 2, or this is the image which is formed by 2 due to 1. So three images are formed and all are lying on a circle. That is one of the way. Okay, let me verify it again. Three images are formed. Can you see that? Abhi dekho, or. Now see the other way also, other way around. If I draw this line, how much is this angle should be? 30 degree. If it is 30 degree, it is 30 degree with the mirror. Yes or no? If I draw this line, how much is this angle should be? 60 degree, because if this is the image which is making 60 degree with the mirror, this also should be 60 degree. Understood? Abhi now. So this is 60, 60, 60, 180. Now, how much is this angle? 30 degree. So if I draw this line, the image is object for this mirror. So this angle has to be 30 degree. How much is this angle? So the image which is formed by I1 by M2, that is also 60 degree. So is it 360 degree? And clearly these two images are coinciding. Understand? So third image, they are not four images, they are three images, and third image is coinciding. The two images form together at the same point. So first image, second image, third image, all lies in the same circle. अब बहुत interesting चीज है. If I close this, अभी suppose if I just rotate this mirror, if I reduce this angle, ध्यान से समझना. If I reduce this angle, let us say, if I reduce this angle, the mirror is like this. Angle is less, so these are corresponding images are shifted closer. This will again split to 2. So it becomes 4 now. समझ रहे हो? All lies in the circle. So now when the angle becomes lesser, what will happen? It will split into 2. So 4 images. Then 72 degree will come. So at 72 degree, the fifth image will coincide now. When it is less than 72, that is also split into 2. So as the angle is decreasing, number of images are increasing. Understood? So this is how the image formation is there. All lies in the circle and all will be forming in this way. You can easily locate all the images.